If you own an unused conservatory that you wish to transform, then Eco Home Insulation has a solution for you. This following tutorial will display how to effectively insulate and clad the inside of a conservatory roof. So the first step is to cut 25mm battens to size and to screw them into place on the underside of the UPVC conservatory spars. These can be screwed in place with our conservatory screws supplied in our conservatory insulation kit. Now you can see all the underside of the conservatory is fixed in place with the battens. For the next step, to staple Eco Quilt Expert Multifoil Insulation to the underside of the battens, stapled at 300mm intervals. You can use our multifoil insulation scissors to cut any excess material around the perimeter. It's essential with Eco Quilt to overlap the product by a minimum of 50mm and to tape and seal them overlaps and around the perimeter with our Thermoseal foil joining tape. When the product is completely taped and sealed, it will work as a high-performing vapor control layer, eliminating the risk of condensation. One layer of Eco Quilt is equivalent to approximately 50mm of rigid insulation board, such as Kingspan or Celotex. All the products you can see here, the Thermoseal foil tape, the staple gun and staples are all included in the conservatory kit, as are the fast fix conservatory multifoil screws. This step is to screw the 25mm battens, the secondary battens into place through the multifoil into the battens behind, creating an airspace present on both sides of the multifoil to gain maximum thermal benefits. The final stage of the project is to install ConservaClad, a lighter, whiter and brighter way to line the underside of a conservatory roof. Using drywall screws, screw the end caps into place by fixing into the battens already installed. Then measure the length of the ConservaClad boards and cut to size. You can then slot the ConservaClad boards into the end caps. You'll see there is a lip on the cladding to effectively screw this into place. Then when you're fixing the next piece of the ConservaClad board, slot into the end caps in the same way and then slide that piece to the adjoining board to create a neat, clean and seamless finish on the roof. So there you have it, effectively insulating and cladding a conservatory for all year round use.